For whom this program, what we offer about coaching, therapy, and retreats to Sardinia or Hawaii, guided tours in a way of self-development. For whom it is, it's for all people who want to get to know more skills. So when you feel open for more skills in coaching, more skills in therapy, and getting to know more about trance, in a deep trance, how to reconnect to nature, how to know more about the spiritual laws in a way, to be an expert in this. So you can join us. So everybody who's open, and what we also prefer, what is maybe different to other, is about, it's not just only the wisdom of truth, it's also about that we work with our family, work with our ancestors, and also give healing and light in our family system. And this is very important for, especially for healer therapists, because when we are not healing our relations, we're not as strong and we can't balance so good. So we help you to unblock your potential. So for everybody who really wants to change something or wants to get to know a new work, to be self-employed in a way and become a coach, but in a different way, an alternative coach, in a way of a lot connection with nature, with knowing about the universe and earth and how we embody this wisdom. And you step into an old knowledge about, we're going to PowerPoints in Sardinia, we go to PowerPoints in Hawaii and other places. So it's about reading the earth. And not just reading, it's about, it's really about hearing nature, and what can we do that we are living in a supportive, sharing society.